Hey everyone, Jason here at my loud apartment next to the highway with my 2019 Mercedes-Benz GLA AMG 45, and these are the stock 20-inch wheel and tire setup that came with the car. They're 235/40 20s, and they do have 15mm spacers on them. Get them very flush with the car, but the surprise today is I have a new set of wheel and tires for the car. And what I'm gonna get to in the video is the size I went with, the brand, how I got them shipped, where I bought them from, and this is how they arrived, all nice and bagged up. They have a cardboard protector on them, a piece of foam on both sides, and then this double, basically duty heavy shrink wrap bag. And from what I can tell, no damage from them being shipped, but we'll see once I unpack them, and I'll talk a little bit more about them when I get them on the car here. So let me get one of these open, and I'll show you what they look like before I put them on the car, and then we'll get you some after shots of what the car looks like. So hang tight. All right, is everybody ready? I know it's not in focus, but here they come. Bam. Great. Oh, they look amazing. Great fit. Lots more room now for cleaning my calipers, and they do clear. I checked that before I bolted them up. The offset seems just about right. I think they're 40mm offset. Look down in the description below. I'll do the exact size, tires, link to Fitment Industries where I bought them from. This is not a sponsored video. You know, I paid full price for these. Something I didn't say during the unveiling was that I also paid about an extra $150 to have all four wheels ceramic coated. Of course, they do the barrels and and boy, they feel slick, and I like that. That gives them a good chance to look over them, make sure there's no damage, and they arrived perfect. No damage at all. It came with the wheel lug bolts on this car, and they had a special like socket head for them, so they're semi-security bolts, I guess. You'd have to have that exact tool to take it off because a regular socket didn't fit over it, none of the ones I had. As you can see by the offset, they're not quite out as far as it was with the 15mm spacers, but they are way out further than stock. I may keep that in consideration, maybe for some 5mm spacers possibly in the back. I'm not sure. I'm gonna have to feel how it feels driving. And get some better ideas of how I feel about it. I didn't clean up the wheels at all, the rubber, the tires, so they're a little greasy still from the installation. Next time I wash the car, I'll get them all armored up and make a good new video of it all clean out in the sun in a cooler location than sitting here in my garage by this loud ass highway. But yeah, they look real good. Let's see that back, show you it from the back, what that offset looks like. And if you haven't seen the video, I don't know if I did a video, but I got these mud flaps off of some just like AliExpress or something. They were about 20 bucks, or eBay, I can't remember where I got them. But yeah, as you can see, pretty nice flush fitment there. I'm not sure, like I was getting rubbing with that 15mm, so this might absolutely be perfect. I do think, based on the wear I had on the front tires, I have a little too much camber in them, but I'm gonna go get a four-wheel alignment done, and hopefully should fix that a little bit, so these don't wear out prematurely, and I'll keep them rotated as well. But yeah, make sure you hit that like button, subscribe button. Got some more things going on with the car. I'll get a nice good update video of all the things I've done to it. Check out the older videos. See some of the floor mats, stereo system, tinting windows, doing this and doing that stuff to the GLA suspension, because it's been lowered. If you're wondering, if you haven't seen my old videos, it's on H&R springs and some other goodies added to it, but those are factory brakes. But yeah, there's a good shot of it. I love the look. Gives a little more shininess to the black wheels that were on there, but I didn't want to go full shiny painted silver, because I liked the look of the car. Just the right amount of black, just the right amount of chrome, kind of a silver grill, silver lip, silver emblem. So yeah, thanks for watching. Hit that like, subscribe, like I said, and I'll do some more stuff. See ya around. I know I ended the video, but here's a little, got it out, drove down the road. It's nice and quiet. The wheels, the tires are very quiet down the road, nice and smooth, bounced perfectly. Get a little more space to kind of get back here and away from that road noise. All I have is the noise from the sprinklers here. Here's what the car headlights look like. It's the sun is setting down here in beautiful Sarasota, Florida. My apartments are way over there. But yeah, there's a side shot of it, you know. Love the look. The wheels are tucked nicely. I hit a big bump, no scrubbing. So the offset's definitely a little less than those 15mm spacers on the stock. Kind of hear the exhaust stock rumble there. The dark side. Anyways, this thing's looking pretty good. Pretty happy with it. So thanks for a little bonus time here with me. Enjoy the video, I hope. Catch y'all later.